Hello, beautiful! Welcome to my makeup tutorial on how to apply eyeshadow like a pro. First, apply a small amount of eye primer to your eyelid. This helps your eyeshadow stay in place all day and brings out the pigmentation. Using a fluffy brush, apply a brown eyeshadow to the crease line. Start from the outer corner and work your way inwards. This adds depth and dimension to your eyes. Now, choose a light color of your choice and apply it to the main lid. I'm using a shimmery champagne color today. Make sure to blend well and build up the color gradually. Line your upper lash line with a brown or black eyeliner. You can choose a liquid, gel, or pencil liner, whichever you prefer. Start from the inner corner and work your way outwards. Now, let's create a seamless crease line. Using a crease brush, apply a dark-colored eyeshadow to the outer corner of your eye, starting from the lash line and working your way up to the crease. Make sure to blend, blend, and blend. Apply highlighter to the high points of your eyes, including brow bone, inner corner, center of the lid. Blend well for a natural glow. Remember to blend the highlighter well, especially around the edges. You want the highlighter to look seamless and natural, not harsh or obvious. Finish off the look by applying mascara to your upper and lower lashes. This adds length, volume, and drama to your eyes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with different colors and techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.